Okay, hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we have a very kind strange kind of looking questions, and we have to find the derivative of it. Okay, so let me just tell you these kind of questions when you find that. Okay, so these are actually very simple questions. So you have only to find what pattern that can be substituted. Okay, so let's see the question number one, that is it is kind of y is equal to x to the power x, like root of, under that you have x to the power x, then again x to the power x, and likewise it goes to infinity. Okay, so as you can see, so let's go for the solution for this first. Okay, let me select this one. Solution, given that y is equal to x to the power x to the power x to the power x kind of till infinity, right, and the root of it. So as you can see here, right, so there is one pattern. So I like till infinity it is, so from here what we can do, like we can substitute it with something, right guys? So likewise, before that, let's just do the square of it both sides. So you will become y square is equal to x to the power x to the power x or x to the infinity, right? Now we will substitute this part. It is already, as you can see, it will become y square, right? So now what we can write, y square is equal to x to the power y square. Okay, just substituting the pattern. Okay, so now as you can see, once you substitute that, it's become very easy question. So now you don't have to do anything. Like now earlier I mentioned, right? So you can just like take the logarithm at both sides, then after that you can take the derivative of it. Okay, so like now you have to just take the log, taking log both side. So now log of y square is equal to log of x to the power y square, right? So as you know that, mm, the properties of logarithm is like, if there is any kind of power, so it will come to this forward, right, forward to the log, and this will also going to come here. So now it will become 2 times log of y is equal to y square log of x, right? Now as you know that, like we have to find the dy of dx. So now what we can do, we take derivative both sides. Derivative both sides. So d with respect to x. So d of dx of 2 times log of y is equal to d of dx y of square log of x, right? Now let's, as I have already mentioned that, right guys? So if you have to take the derivative of anything that is not with respect to with that variable name, then you have to change that, like, right? So now we can say, like, in otherwise, as you can say, suppose I wanted to dy by of dx, right? So what we can write, dy by something, dy by dt something like, then dt by dx, right? dt by dx, so it will become the same thing, right? So with respect to the change that you find this, and with respect to this, then here this will be going to be cancelled out, so it will become dy by dx. So similarly, what we do, so now we will change, because here is y and y is our dependent variable, so we have to change here, right? So now we will change d of y, and 2 will come out. Okay, so 2 will come out. Let's take it out. Then log of y. So already it is there. Now we have to do, now dy going to get cancelled, and it will become this one. Okay, now next part. So here we will apply chain rule. So it is simple, like the first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function, right? So now it will be 2 times log of y, it will become 1 by y. Guys, you have to remember these kind of formulas, and otherwise it will be very difficult to solve these kind of questions. Okay, so next part, here y of square, and again it will become 1 by x plus log of x, and similarly the same thing that we did here, guys, we have to do here also. So what we have to do is we have to just change it. Okay, so it will be kind of d of y with respect to y square, then here dy by dx. Okay, let me just scroll up. Now what we have got from here, 2 by y dy by dx is equal to y of square x plus log of x. And as you know that, right, guys, so if d of dx of x power n, it is kind of n x power n minus 1, right? So using this formula, we will be getting 2 times of y to the power 2 minus 1, right? And it will be dy by dx. So again 2 by y dy by dx, y of square x plus log of x, and 2 to, and here kind of 2y into 2y dy by dx. Okay guys, now let's just keep dy by dx at left side. So now it will be 2 by y, and if we'll come here, then we can directly take dy by dx as a out, right, as a common. So now here it will be, this part will going to come here, so it will come negative of it, negative of 2 of y log of x, right? This will be and of, then dy by dx is equal to y of square by x, right? Now move again here. So now what we can do here, we can just, this part we can simplify. So just let only have this side dy by dx, let it move that side, then we will do that. Okay, y square times x, and now divided by 2 of y, here 2 of 2 of y, it will be go this way, right, guys? Hmm? Hmm. Right. So considering this will be here 1, so 1 will be y square, so y square will be there, and this will be multiplying x, right, with x. So yeah, so now we will like kind of simplify this is also, this also. So it will become y of square x of 2 times 2y square log of x. Okay guys, even this is also can be solution. Okay, this can be also the solution, but you like generally if you simplify more, it will be kind of better. Okay, that's it. Otherwise that could be also the solution. Now the last part, dy by dx is equal to this y goes up, so it will become y cube of x time 2 of 2 minus of 2y square log of x. Okay, and this is our answer. Okay, guys, I think you have got this question. Let's discuss other question. Question number two. Sorry, what is happening? Okay. So question number two was solution. Let's change the color, guys, this time. Okay, blue. It has become too much blue. So let's take green this time. Okay, and let's select the size of it. Okay, so question number two, what was it? It was kind of y of is equal to sine of x divided by 1 plus cos of x divided by 1 plus sine x divided by 1 plus cos of x till infinity. Right, guys, so here you can also see, right, the repeat in term. So sine x, right? So from here it is kind of repeating entire thing, right? So what we can do, we can directly substitute with y. So now like substituting with y. So y of is equal to sine of x divided by 1 plus cos of x divided by 1 plus y. Right, guys, so let's move ahead. So now we have this. So just little bit we will simplify. Y is equal to it will kind of go here, right, and it also go to up. So now, like, what happens, x, suppose x1 by y1 divided by x2 by y2. So it is kind of y2 go to the outer, like the inner production and outer production happens. Okay, so it will become x1 times y2 divided by y1 times x2. Okay, the similar things we are doing here. Okay, so now it will be kind of 1 plus y of sine of x divided by 1 plus y, so it will multiply with this plus of cos of x. Okay, guys, so as you can see, so we have like found the kind of more simpler form of it. Now let's again do simplify. I can write this as this, right? Now we will multiply this one. Okay, so it will become y times 1 plus y plus cos of x is equal to 1 times 1 plus y sine of x. Again, what we can write is y, and like take it inside, so y square plus y cosine of x is equal to become 1. So now let's multiply, so it will become sine of x plus y sine of x, right? Now it is simplified. Now we can take the derivative with respect to x. Just this is going up. If I take the derivative with respect to x, so what it will become? Says, so dy will be dy by dx, y square it will be kind of 2 dy by dx, right, guys? In previous question I explained this part, right? Then go to here, so it will be here we have to apply the chain rule, right? Two different function. So the first function dy of dx of second function plus second function d of dx of that is y, right, the derivative of the second function. This is the one part, and now take derivative with respect to both sides. So on the other part will be kind of dy of dx sine of x Here also we have to apply the chain rule, guys, right? So let's write it. So y times d of dx sine of x plus sine of x dy by dx, right? So next part, what we can write, dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx plus, so it will become cos, it becomes sine, right? So derivative of cos x with respect to x going to be negative of sine. Okay, so now it will become negative of y times sine x plus, and it already it will be dy by dx, so here it will be cos of x dy by dx, right guys? And the right side part will become sine x, so derivative of sine of x is equal to, what happened, derivative of uh, sine of x is equal to cos x plus, now this part sine, again y times cos of x plus sine of x dy by dx, right guys? Now what we have to do, we just have to arrange the dy by dx one side and all other terms another side. So dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx, okay, and dy by dx. So if I put there, take dy by dx common, so it will become 1 plus 2y plus cos of x, and if you go that side, it will become sine of x, right? What is happening with me? You guys, something not okay. Okay, so my computer is getting hang out. Okay, not an issue. Let's, okay, so this part is done. Now remaining part, okay, so now remaining part is this one, this is one negative, right? Y of sine x, so if it go to the right side, it will become positive, so y of sine of x, and cos is already there, so cos of x plus y cos of x, these two terms, right guys? So now what we can write, dy by dx is equal to, so here it is a cos and cos, right? So we can take cos common, cos of x 1 plus y plus y sine x divided by, so this could be also solution, guide, directly divide this and it could be also considered as a solution, but I'm just simplifying more, okay? So here it, now 1 plus 2y plus cos of x minus sine of x. So even someone can more simplify this, but anyway, this could be our answer. Guys, hope you have liked it. So and one more thing, guys, I would request you, if you have any question that is you guys are not able to like solve it, then you can share it here or just comment it. I will definitely solve it and share with you guys, okay? Thank you so much, and meanwhile, I would like to you guys request, please subscribe to my channel.